Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I'm going to be planning the week of July 6th in my personal wide ring bound planner. This is planning for the week ahead, and this is my brand new planner setup for summer. So if you haven't seen this yet, it's linked down in the description below, and I will put it in the cards as well. And I am going to be using this kit. It's called Lauren. It's from Piper Paper Company. I was like, when I ordered this when I was trying out a bunch of new shops, and I didn't love this as much as some of the other ones. It's just like a really basic matte paper. The formats looks pretty nice, etc., but I just wasn't super happy with the paper. So I decided to put this aside for my ring bound planner instead of saving it for my memory planner. But I thought this was like such a cute little take on some of this like coffee and breakfast art. And this is the functional page. So I'll have more than enough to do everything I need in my ring bound planner, just because those are smaller spreads. You do get glitter headers and date covers. I think these date covers are really cute for like non-foiled ones, and you do get date numbers, which I don't super need, but I will use them in here. And you get an extra full box and some flags and different stuff, so it's a pretty good format. And then there are no open heart or bow checklists. They have these like the big ombre checklist, but I just cut these down. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these this week and see how that goes as well. So these are my same inserts from Jesenia's Printables, still using the same one with the double sidebar, which I use for meals and weather, the week, and then the rest of the weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and a notes page, which I use for pre-planning. So I'm gonna pull out these pages and jump in. So I'm gonna get started, and I am actually going to try and go a little bit faster than I have been the past couple of weeks. I don't have a ton of time today. It is the Sunday before this week starts, so Sunday the 5th right now, and the kids are all napping, but it's like the nap time sync up was not great this week because it's way later than it would have been, so I'm kind of towards the end of my big kids naps. So I am gonna try and do this fast because I really have a lot going on I have a good amount going on this week, and I really would like to have a stickering spread. So I do just want to get this all set up and going. So I am gonna do like all of my sort of base stuff and just kind of fast forward through that this week to make this just a little bit faster for myself. Okay, so let's get going. Monday, I have the regular work thing that I always do. Monday's actually a really busy day. And then my mom is coming over. Not because she hasn't been coming on Mondays lately, but she is coming over this Monday because I am getting a haircut at the house. Actually probably in the backyard. One of my mom's like friends from the salon is gonna come and cut my hair. We're gonna wear masks. We're gonna do it outside. Try and do it like as distancey as possible, but I'm really, really excited about that. So let me see what I've got to mark that kind of stuff. Okay, I'm gonna use this from like the date numbers from Simply Gilded that I used to mark haircut, and I am gonna mark that on this big one because I'm so excited about it. My hair has been like out of control, awful, like out of control. And then to mark that my mom's coming over, and then I'm also gonna have a video out on Monday. Maybe I'll use this for the video. I have, for these flags, I have 3 videos this week actually. Maybe I'll just go ahead and put them all in while I'm down here. So I've got one on Monday, one on Thursday, which I can definitely fit down at the bottom here and still have space for something else. And then one on Sunday. So that's gonna be my setup will have gone out hopefully this video of this that I'm recording right now, and then one memory spread. That should be what this is. Anyway, so let me just put all of that stuff down like that, and then yeah, that should be it for Monday. Let me move this off to the side. Tuesday is trash day. This is like from a really old Simply Ginger Co. kit. Like I said, I just grabbed like a bunch of random stuff in here. So Tuesday is that. And then I'm gonna grab one of these little teeny tiny skinny appointment labels and I can put that at the bottom here because it will fit. I've got 2 things at the bottom here. And then this one can be, I'm following up with this like doctor appointment thing that I need to follow up with for my husband, and then if we haven't heard from them already, and then I also am gonna have to like follow up with a bunch of contractor stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna use this for all my other follow-ups. So I got a lot of house stuff to follow up on, and then I'm gonna put this for a workout on Thursday, and I have, there's a little kettlebell in the kit. It's a really cute box. On Wednesday, I'll mark some laundry. I'm not super sure what's going on, so maybe I'll do a half box, and then these from Clever Gal Crafts, which I thought matched like really perfectly. So I think I'm gonna pull one of these in. These are like floral flags, and I don't really use these as much as the mini flags in my planner. So I'm gonna mark that will be for some other follow-ups that I need to do. And then let me put something real small at the bottom. Let's actually do this bill too, because I have some like lawn bills and stuff that I need to like actually pay. That are like not auto pay ones. Okay, so I'll mark that. And then on to Thursday. Thursday I also want to do a workout, so I'm going to put that like in that same box. And I think I have another kettlebell somewhere. Yep, I do actually. From this little half sheet that I have. This one's a little bit bigger, so I use that for a workout. And then just want to mark whatever else we do on Thursday. Don't know what's going on there, but maybe I'll just do this flag, and then I could just be decorative if I don't need it, or I can just write something if I do. What else we got? Oh, this is really cute. Maybe I'll try and do an at-home date night on Thursday, so I can put that in there. And let me pair that with maybe with a little heart, just to make it a little bit more special. Like I said, we're going kind of fast here. Okay, Friday. Okay, let's just actually put a half box down for each day of the weekend here. Well, Friday's not really the weekend, but that's fine. And this is a groceries week. That's cute. I use this little boat. We have to do our listing, grocery listing, and then I'm probably going to do filming on this day too. Where is, sorry. Okay, so I have another one of these. I can put that to mark filming, and then anything else I don't remember. Saturday, I'm like still holding this. So this can be for whatever on Saturday, and then I need something for groceries. grocery basket. So let's put that like that. Okay, and then on Sunday, we just have like regular kind of prep for the week. And then this was for a video. Oh, you know what? Maybe on Friday I'll put this. That's just fun. Let me put this with a piece of washi. Just because. Why not? Netflix binge, and then this one, can I use the coffee cup one? I don't really need to mark anything specific. Oh, let me put that again on a little bit of washi. Okay, I think that is everything. This is like officially the fastest I've ever done this, but I'm pretty sure I got like all the highlights. And yeah, I'm gonna pop this back in my planner. Okay, that is everything popped back in. This is like definitely the fastest I've ever done a stickering spread, which I am not mad about right now. So this is what the first page looks like, and the second page, let me show you what I have left from the kit. Obviously a lot, because this was like a full kit. So tons of functional stuff, bunch of checklists, 2 extra full boxes, and like most of the washi. So yeah, this looks really nice though. I do like that. And sometimes when you have a lot of stuff, it's harder, but sometimes it's just easier. So anyway, that is everything for this week. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe and check me out on Instagram at MyCraftyPlans to keep up with everything going on in my planners. Bye.